Hi there, my name is Paul from the YES Group. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up our new DTG/DTF Q-Series machines to complete the prints that you need for the day. Okay then, so the first thing we've got to do today to get the machine prepared to complete our printing is put white ink back into the system. This is because we will have used the automatic flush system the last time we will have used the machine. What we now need to do is basically put white ink back into the system. This is a very simple process and only takes between 30 to 35 seconds, sufficiently less time than other branded machines. With the new DTG/DTF Q-Series machines, all we've got to do is press the fill button to automatically put white ink back into the system so we can then complete our nozzle checks and begin printing. Right then, so the next task that we need to complete to get our machine prepared for printing is to complete a small head clean. This is very simple with regards to the control panel that's situated on the machine. All we've got to do is click into menu, scroll to head clean, select and ask it to perform a weak head clean. This process will typically take 1 minute, again sufficiently less time than other branded machines. So we're now at the third and final step of preparing our machine for printing. What we now need to do is complete a nozzle check or a nozzle spray. What we need to do on the machine itself is go to the right hand side of the platen and press load. I've loaded the machine with a clear piece of acetate to identify if all the nozzles are firing, both white and colour. What I now need to do is remove the printhead from the capping station by pressing back. This lowers the capping station away from the printhead. If I then press back again and hold it until the printhead becomes over the acetate sheet, I can then go over to my laptop and ask it to perform a spray. Once this has then been completed, I can press home on the control panel once again to take the printheads back to the capping station, where my nozzle check has now been performed and I'm now ready for printing.